Did a little pre-market move today. Just going for winning days right now. I don't want to put my capital at risk if I could secure something. But yeah, coming into the day, we were short-term bearish and long-term bullish. Like, it's weird. Like, what I wanted to happen was for either 4 hours to get tapped into. I'll just do it that way. 4 hours to get tapped into on S&P, and this 1 hour to get tapped into, then start circling up here into this other 4 hour because it's very close. Because I am still long-term bearish, especially considering what's been going on the past few days economically and in the news. Yeah, we also had daily sweeps, sweep of lows, 4 hour lows as well from back here. And actually from another 4 hour, further confirming a short-term bullish narrative. Took out lows from here. I think this is a 1 hour low. What else was there? Yeah, there we go. We got the 1 hour being tapped into, hopefully, then continuing that bullish move. Don't get me wrong, I could have targeted a lot more, but I genuinely just wanted to win a day. I downsized, considering it's a pre-market move, I could get wiped out. And you could have preemptively just act off of these 15-minute lows, but considering how much we've been lagging around here and it's causing accumulation, you'd want to break out of that zone. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Like, there was potential moves that could lay it out, but it's what it is. This is my prediction move. I didn't trade this. I caught around like 10 points or some shit. I seen he was acting off of it and I just went for that little low and stops like back here. I know it's a negative RR, but yeah, there we go. It's acting how I said it would. But yeah, today was very good opportunities, acting for 1 hour, and you had inversions from here, just over here, up to this high. That could have been a decent move, but you've also got to consider this is a very risky trade because we're very early into market open. Either this high or this high. To be safe, try to go for these if you would have taken this. Very risky trade. Actually, no, I would have retraced there down to the bodies here, around a 2-1, which ain't too bad. Or if you target these, 2.5-1. Would be a great trade. But yeah, honestly, it's not that deep. If you try to secure something, especially within trading, if you make money within trading, don't try get greedy or feed a certain way if you didn't catch the whole move. But yeah, it's tapped into the other 4 hour, which I want to see a move off of. On S&P, it has it on Nasdaq. Probably would have been my actual move. Yeah, good move though. Good continuation model, especially with inversions. Action off at 1 hour. Great move, around 2.8-1. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Today was pretty textbook, I'll be honest, but I don't trust all of this shit, man, I'll be honest. Considering how much we've within the past couple of days, I don't trust price action right now. It's what it is. This would have been a nice trade, like 3-minute TP. Would have made like decent chunk of change. But yeah, man, decent move. That could have played out for a lot of people. That daily sweep action off a 1 hour, which I said earlier. That was my predicted move. S&P still hasn't done that, so I'll just invest this on the ES. And further targets would be obviously intraday low and 4 hour lows off the body. Actually, that's not even sweet, bro. You've got a low right here and that daily low, which I really want to see get hit. Probably not today. That would cry like a fucking couple 100 points of movement, but yeah, today was pretty textbook, man. I'll be honest. You had bearish moves and bullish moves, bearish pre-market move and a bullish AM move. Decent day though, man. Looks like S&P tapped into the other 4 hour. If you invested that, it would be kind of crazy, I'll be honest, because I was expecting a bearish move. Yes, I mean, NQ still hasn't tapped into it. But yeah, let's see, man. I've always watched the markets for a good, like, 20 to 30 minutes to see how it moves, because we do have news at, I think, 3, yep, 3 red folding news. Yeah, man. Weird day though, man. Weird week, I'll be honest. Yeah, there was a really good move for people who do trade like intraday. Active for 1 hour, we've seen very strong volume inversion right here. I think there's a 2-minute inversion as well. Sorry, 3-minute inversion right here. So if you are inversion trader on the higher time frame, not high time frame, higher time frames, this will be a really good trade. And if you want to continue a bullish movement, which I doubt it, maybe there's a move right here, but at most you could just take this trade up to the AM high. Yeah, bro, use my voice, bro. Yeah, pretty decent day. Decent potential moves. The short and a long. Yeah, have to like the way. Any money that's made in the market is an achievement itself. And yeah, man. Yeah, it's looking like it's accumulating right now. Yeah, I don't want to make this video very, very long. I'm just going to quickly go over what my thinking was during the day. So we had very bearish movements, swept daily lows and 4-hour lows. So this low, boom, we acted off a 4-hour. We inversed a 1 hour, creating short-term bullish bias. We had a 4-hour it could retrace into for a pocket. Yeah, had a 4-hour it could retrace into, and then P did the same thing. We had a lot of bullish bias from Asian and London session with a lot of retraces on the 15-minute. Boom, retrace, accept a lot of these lows, creating short-term bullish bias. We went into a 1 hour. Right there, we're acting off of that into the 4 hour, which has just been hit, which is a good sign. I'm hoping yeah, that actually would have been a really good trade. That would have been a potential, I think, 80-point move if you caught it by the tick. Yeah, 85-point move. Decent moves, decent trades. Legit, everything that I said was gonna happen, legit just happened. I don't know if I caught in the video, but yeah, probably just go towards the, actually, nah, well above. Would have an entirely bullish AM. But if you don't act off of this range right here, you might be bullish for the day. It's a bit mad because I really don't want that. Otherwise, you could have this draw potentially tapped into as well. That daily gap. Yeah, man. Strong volume, very nice volume. Action for 1 hour. You have this other draw right here if you wanna be a riskier trader. But yeah, man. Decent day. Is what it is. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, man. Good movements on the day. But end it there. I don't want to make the video past 10 minutes long. But yeah, man, it's pretty much just fucking short-term bullish as what I think we are short-term bullish. But yeah, I was gonna say, bro. Oh yeah, this is why it's really important to wait for a move. A lot of people probably would have came in today, been very bearish considering how much we moved the past few days. Legit, you just gotta look at it from like a higher time frame perspective. The action off of this, you're bullish the whole of the 2 other major sessions. You have draws to the upside, the 4 hour and that 1 hour high, which I doubt is going to get hit if we are bearish as to what I think is going to happen. But yeah, decent day, man. Decent day. Caught a little, I think, 15-point move. Yeah, love, alhamdulillah. Bash.